Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new view in Dynamics 365. When I say view, I'm referring these tabs so you can create a new view for yourself and customize it. There are two ways to create a new view. One way is the old way. I'm going to quickly show and then I will elaborate the second method. And the first method is you can click in here. Once you log into your environment, you can click this gear icon and you can click Advanced Settings. On the left side, you see a lot of options. Please click the Customizations and customize the system. This window is going to show you all components. Today, I would like to create a new account view. So I need to find this entity or object or table. I'm going to quickly search. So account table is here. You can click this little arrow on the left side and you will see the views in here. When you click the views, you will see options to create a new view as a new. This is, as I'm saying, as a new way. Dynamics 365 has a new option in the Power Apps. So this is more convenient. I am gonna show this way and I'm gonna open my other screen. So if you go to make.powerapps.com and click the tables, select the tables you would like to create a view. You can say today I'm going to select account and views. It's pretty. You will see all the views already created before, and I'm going to create a new view. First, I need to name it, so I can say Sarah account view. You can add a little description. I would like to see what kind of accounts, like, or accounts in what territory. So you can put some conditions to memorize yourself and create. Automatically, actually, AI suggested some of the columns in your view in here, but you can add, change it, customize it. On the left side, what I'm going to do, account name is already there. I would like to add parent account as well. And I'm going to remove this column, and I would like to remove this column as well because these are AI suggested columns. And what else I needed? I may need customer ID, or I can say customer size. You can drag and drop. This is one way, or you can click to add next to it. Let me show you. Maybe we can add category. See, it's going to show up in the next column. What else we should add? Primary contact in primary email. And we can add address city. And the last but not least, we can select currency. So this you can add more and more, but in one view I just try to keep it short and simple. So I created a new view. Still, you can add descriptions over here, and if you want to sort by account name, you can, or you can sort by category. You can sort by currency or parent account. I'm going to do sort by account name. You can add filters. You can add some conditions. Add row. Let's say I would like to see address city equals orange, or you can add one more condition or more. You can add currency equals US dollar, or you can utilize contains function and OK. So we added two filter and sorted by account name. Now time to, you can save as, or if you feel like you're ready to publish, you can save and publish. It takes a little bit of time to publish because those customizations are gonna publish to whole environment. We will quickly check if we will see this new view under account. Okay, it's published. Now I can open up my environment. This is my environment. I'm just gonna refresh it real quick. And we will check accounts and all views if it is. So we can see our view of Sarah account view, and it's gonna be here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to notify once I upload a new video. Have a great day.